Everyone else, oh, you're the greatest guy in the world. But the one person I want to let leave, nothing. Here's your ring.
Scott, what are you doing with the ring? I love the ring. Hold on.
When she told me she was on heroin, she said, you're a stupid man if you freaking stay. I'm the stupid one. $4,000.
Whatever.
I honestly think Scott's very sensitive.
It's right here. Get in. Get in.
And, you know, it hurt his feelings and I feel bad about it.
Look, I still love you. I still think about you. How do you move on when you still love somebody?
Look, I don't want to fight. I came here to take you to this beautiful picnic.
You can't just like say, hey, here's like a $5,000 ring. Put this on your finger so you're mine. That doesn't work like that.
It was a proposal. It was.
I didn't come here to fight.
I just wanted to all go away, just to start over. Put everything behind us and just say, let's make this work no matter what. 'Cause that's what we always promised each other.
I want to wash everything away.
I do too. I just want to start over. We're starting over, okay? We're starting over.